Click on the link below to get price. The Juki DDL8700 industrial straight Lockstitch sewing machine is designed for those who require a reliable and efficient sewing solution in a professional setting. Renowned for its robust construction and high-speed performance, this machine appeals primarily to industrial users, including garment manufacturers and textile businesses. Let us delve into the key features and intended usage of this machine to better understand its capabilities. At its core, the Juki DDL8700 is an industrial straight Lockstitch sewing machine, which means it is designed specifically for straight stitching applications. This machine operates at impressive speeds, boasting a maximum sewing speed of approximately 5,500 stitches per minute. This high throughput can significantly enhance productivity, particularly in environments where time is of the essence. The machine is built to handle a variety of fabric types, making it versatile enough for different sewing projects, from lightweight materials to heavier fabrics. One notable feature of the DDL8700 is its durable build quality. Constructed with a cast iron body, it is designed to endure the rigors of industrial use while maintaining consistent performance. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a powerful motor that ensures smooth operation, reducing the risk of fabric bunching or jamming. This reliability is further complemented by its easy-to-access bobbin and thread tension adjustments, allowing users to fine-tune their settings for optimal results. In terms of usability, the Juki DDL8700 is designed for straightforward operation. The machine's handwheel, needle position adjustment, and presser foot lift are intuitively placed, which can assist users in performing tasks efficiently. While it is essential to note that this model is sold as a head only, meaning it does not include a table or stand, it can be integrated into an existing workspace or paired with a suitable table to create a complete sewing station. For those engaged in large-scale sewing projects or those looking to expand their industrial capabilities, the Juki DDL8700 may provide a reliable solution. Its high-speed performance and sturdy design cater well to a range of sewing needs, from basic straight stitching to more complex fabric handling. As with any industrial equipment, it is advisable for users to familiarize themselves with the machine's specifications and maintenance requirements to ensure optimal operation over time.